We studied rapid. What are the 5 observations? 5 observations. Observation: rapid multiplication, stability of population, natural resources. These 3, because of these 3, you get struggle of existence. Because all the organisms has to struggle for the food. Finally, whichever the what do you call, each one, if the food is not got by this one, you know that foods chain, you have to read that. That we'll discuss in separate class. Because of these limited resources, you'll get what? Stability of population. Then what is that fourth observation you get because of this? What you get? That is what? Survival of the fittest. Survival of the fittest. And next, I'll discuss what is variation and inheritance. From these 3 observations, we come to one inference. What is one inference? Struggle for existence. Therefore, struggle for existence. That is the law of today, of Corona period. You have to struggle for your existence. You have to struggle hard. You have to struggle hard to come, and you must know. You should not be lazy. See, suppose a lion kills a deer, it takes 60% of the food. Then what? It will give the remaining 40% to the wife and children. And the wife, that is what lionesses, it take about 30%. Another 10% only will give for this. But if human being, what will our parent, first they'll give 90% for us only. In fact, they won't take even anything. For the first, that is called distinguish between animal and human being. Okay. But anyway, struggle for existence for this animal character is this. Therefore, limited resources, for that we did these 3 inference gives struggle for existence. This malnutrition and scarcity of food and all is called intraspecific. This is called what? Intraspecific. But there is interspecific. This is external character. Interspecific also is there. What is interspecific? You know what is intraspecific. But what is interspecific? Among these things, what this lion kill lot of goats or cow and all that. Because limited supply of grass will be there. Therefore, what will happen? When a lot of lions kill the lot of, say, the lion or tiger kill lot of goats and all this, what happens? This population decreases. Therefore, survival among the goats also very, very important. And here, so many things. This is called interspecific. Right? Survival among themselves is called interspecific. This is yet intraspecific. Due to interspecific and intraspecific, the survival of existence comes into play. See, next observation is what? Variation. Parents. From the parents, right? P1 and P2, see, male and female. This one character, this one a character. Right? Character 1 and character 2. Join together, form a new character 3. Slightly, but 80% similar to father, or about 60% similar to father, 40% similar to mother, or 80% similar to mother, 40% similar. This type of thing called, and a new character, this called variation. What is variation is this, right? What is variation? V. See, what is the cause of variation? Cause of variation is what? Mutation. Therefore, variation is called mutation, right? Mutation, give some symbol later. See now, what is fifth observation? Inheritance of useful variation. Because of the variation, what will happen? You will get useless variations are filtered off. Only which will retain inheritance of the useful variation. Therefore, from these 2 observations, variation and inheritance of keeping off, that means is passed to one generation other generation. Useless variations and all will be thrown off. Therefore, useful variations only survive. These together called what do you call, like this variation is also called survival of the fittest. Survival of the fittest. What is survival of the fittest? Because of this. And this 2 observations gives the survival of the fittest. And these 2, struggle of existence, survival of the fittest, gives formation of new species. Therefore, here survival of the existence and survival of the fittest. This together gives what? Formation of new species. Formation of new species. See, now natural selection occurs through inheritance, interaction between environment and variable inheritance. These all are called variable inheritance. Because of this, there is an interaction between environment and in the population. Therefore, you get a natural selection means what? Interaction between variable inheritance in the population and the environment is called natural selection. Therefore, you know this interspecific, intraspecific and all you study in other topic. Therefore, these 3 videos will fetch you a major mark for you. Go through this. If you have any doubts, you prepare your own notes, right? Any suggestion? This is only a initiation for you, right? For NEET exams. Thank you.